Hey guys, this is Ashleigh, personal trainer and weight loss coach. Today we're going to be talking about posture. And I know a lot of you probably really care about how you look, obviously, and how your posture can affect that. So I want to talk to you today about some simple tricks to really quick fix your posture. But not only are these quick fixes, what I love about them is when you get your posture correct, it can actually make you look a little bit thinner, a little bit slimmer. You just carry yourself better. People really notice. So if you want to feel better about yourself, if you want to have an elevated self-confidence, and you'll portray yourself better, but also you can actually look thinner just by changing your posture. So first, I want to remind you guys, make sure you like and subscribe. If you haven't already to this channel, all we do is talk about weight loss and fitness tips and things like that to help you on your weight loss journey. So if you haven't done that, do it. And then we're going to talk about the posture thing. So let's get back to that. So the reason I wanted to talk about posture was because I know for me when I was overweight, I really struggled with my posture. Now I continue to struggle with my posture. However, I know some tricks to make it a little bit better, and it's a little bit easier as you begin to lose more weight. So I just want to, be vulnerable, share a little bit about, for myself, when I was overweight before, I was larger kind of everywhere, had more fat everywhere, especially in my chest. So I'll try to put a picture of that up on the screen, but I would have a tendency to sort of rest my chest on my stomach so that it wouldn't be so heavy. And the problem with that now for me is that there is no more stomach for me to rest my chest on. But I find myself still trying to do that, where every once in a while I'll just kind of have this forward hunch. And I know that, in my mind, I realized when I was during my weight loss journey that this posture for me came from the heaviness of my chest and wanting to rest it on my stomach. So you have to fix that. So the way we're going to fix that is, instead of hunching forward, which you can see this is not very flattering for me, kind of makes this little pooch here. What we want to do is we're going to roll the shoulders back. What I like to think here is that you're going to take your shoulder blades and you're going to tuck them into your back pockets here. So instead of forward hunching, we're going to roll the shoulders back like you're tucking your shoulder blades into your back pockets. You can see it makes a little bit more of a curve in my spine there, and kind of straightens everything up. But we're not done. Once we do that, that's a good start to good posture. Now we kind of have our shoulders a little more in line with our hips than where they were before. We've put them in place. We've rolled them down so that they're relaxed away from our neck. Sometimes when we hunch, we will just kind of pull them back, and really push the chest out, but they're still tense, and you have this tension going on in the neck here in the traps. You just pull, and then this is still kind of tight. So roll down, tuck them into those back pockets, and now they're in the right place. What we want to do next is fix our neck. A lot of times you're in this good posturing from the shoulders down, but you are still kind of forward leaning or tilted down from being on our phones so often. A lot of us kind of have a forward lean in our neck. So what you want to do is you want to bring your head back in line with your body, and you want to bring your chin up a bit so you're actually now properly aligned. So I'm going to show that from the front angle so you can see bad posture, head down, or just really out in front, and then we're going to roll those shoulders back, and then we're going to bring the head back and the chin up just a little bit. Personally, I don't know, I'm kind of obsessed with Disney princesses. If you don't know that about me, now you do. I love princesses and all things princessy. I kind of can't wait to finish doing this YouTube because I'm going to watch this show about castles after this. So I love all things royalty. But you want to pretend like you have a little tiara on your head. And if you had a little tiara on, you couldn't be looking down. It would fall off. You wouldn't be having your head all out like this. It wouldn't be balanced. You would hold your chin up. So think like you have a little book or a tiara on, and you just kind of tilt your head up and bring it back just a notch. So sometimes even when I'm running, my posture gets really sloppy and I kind of feel myself doing this, and I'll think to myself, fix your tiara, princess. I don't know why, but I'd think that to myself. And then I will straighten up and tilt my head up a little bit, bring that chin up. It's going to feel stupid. All of this is going to feel stupid the first few times you do it. And it feels horrible, actually. If I'm just being honest, it feels really bad. It just does, because you're not used to engaging those muscles. You're not used to holding the right posture. Even now, as I'm talking to you, I can feel my shoulders coming forward because this is where they want to be. This is where they've been for 30 years and they don't want to be fixed. But I have to draw them back and make them fixed so that I look a lot better on camera and I have good posture for my own sake, so that I don't have neck problems and back problems going forward. So, quick fixes, just a reminder, all we're going to do, roll the shoulders back, tuck the shoulder blades in the back pockets, take the head, push it back a bit, bring the chin up, and we're already fixed. 2 little quick adjustments, shoulders back, head up. It's, again, going to feel weird, but you got to practice. That's all you can really do. Kind of keep your core tight and fix your posture. Remember to fix your tiara from time to time throughout the day, and you would be surprised how much better you look, how much more confident you feel, and over time it can really help if you're having neck problems, back problems, shoulder problems. And as you're on your weight loss journey, just like it happened for me, you may become more aware of these things as you notice you're just carrying your weight differently. So you're going to be kind of hyper aware of these little changes. So if you have any questions for me, please post them in the comments below. And if you've made it this far in the video, I'm actually going to give you a bonus tip that I wasn't going to share at first. I was going to share for another video, but I'm going to go ahead and share it. So stay tuned. Okay. If you've got one of these booty bands like this at home, you can actually use it to help fix your posture. I will do this from time to time. I need the assistance of my husband to really get it on properly. But you are going to take it behind the back and work it. I'm just going to do it quickly here, so it's going to be all rolled up like this onto the arms, and you can see automatically my shoulders are drawn back into the right position. And I will just like watch Netflix like this on the couch sometimes. That way I'm in the right posture, because my couch posture is atrocious. I don't know what it is, but I just melt into the couch and like collapse on myself. So sometimes I'll do this while watching Netflix. Try to move my hair so you can see. And it really helps with the posturing and kind of to coach your body into knowing where it should be. And I find that this really relaxes my neck. If I have a lot of neck tension, it really puts my shoulders in the right place, so I don't have any more of that tension. So, little extra tip if you need a little extra help. I wouldn't recommend doing this for like ever. Like, don't leave it on for like a whole movie or something, or like while you're binge watching. But for little bits of time, like even now, like I feel, ooh, feels good. Really helps you to kind of get into alignment. So those are my quick tips for fixing your posture. If you have questions for me, post them in the comments below. And if you have not yet, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, click the little notification bell so that you'll know when I post my videos. And I know my schedule's been a little bit off. This whole COVID thing has got me all over, like I swear. Like it keeps messing with my schedule. The second I think, oh, this is how I'm gonna record and upload, something changes and I gotta change my whole schedule. So I'm trying to get back to 2 videos a week, guys. Hopefully this week we'll get there. If not, I'm going to try to at least get back to 1 a week until I can get up to 2. Bear with me. And yeah, as always, comment below or reach out to me if you need any help or you have some questions or some topic ideas. I love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching.